Welcome, today in front of me Honor 9A, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration section. Here, as can you see, we get the media, ringtone, alarms and calls volume panels, and just to change the volume of calls, for example, swipe this dot to the left or to the right side. Now here we get the silent mode option. We can turn on or turn off the silent modes. Also we get the vibration in the silent mode, just to turn on or turn off. Tap here once on the switcher. So we get here the default volume button control. You can, by pressing on your volume button, if you just get here selected the media, you will change the media volume, or also you can change it here, for example, to the ringtone volume. So we got here the don't disturb mode. You can just turn it on or turn off. Also to change the ringtone, messaging and notification sound. Also got here the more sound settings, and here we can just enable the keypad tones. For example, now when we'll go to the phone application, you can hear the sounds of your dial pad tones, or also we can switch it to the now and again. Also got here the screen lock, screenshot, screen touches, switcher. We can just then turn it on or turn it off. And vibration, when you touch, just you'll feel the vibration. Also you can just change all these settings by tap here on the switchers. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.